How to turn a bar graph into a circle graph. Pie chart. If you've ever worked with young students, they have a real hard time making circle graphs or pie charts mathematically accurately, just because there's kind of some more difficult mathematics involved there. So this is kind of a shortcut way to get there, but still have it mathematically accurate. So what are the differences between creating a bar graph and a circle graph? You can think about those, you can list those, you can watch the video and then make your own so it makes sense to you and see if that's mathematically accurate or not. The last thing you should do and enter it on your circle graph is calculate the percent of each color candy from all the samples in the class. So take how many brown everyone had in the class and divide it by the total number of M&Ms, and then make that a percentage. Do that for all of them, and then your total should be 100%. What you're going to do is you're going to compare that to actual data from the M&M Mars company that I will provide for you. Some advantages and disadvantages of a circle graph. Advantages: it shows the part-to-whole relationship that the bar graph doesn't show. It works for large data sets, it's easy to read, it's self-explanatory. Some disadvantages are if you have a category marked Other, that could be problematic because what goes in Other and it might be too large. It's hard to compare two data sets. And if it's in percentages, the total is unknown unless specified. And like we said earlier, it could be hard to make by hand. So for fun, here's some little facts about the M&M Mars company. So that's kind of fun. And then, like I said, you can compare it to the information that I've put on Canvas for you. Here's another graph and a different kind of graph. And we'll talk more about these things. And when you compare it to the actual M&M data, notice if there's any similarities or differences and why these might have occurred, and if you're surprised by these results. The last activity is to create a data displays foldable, but we're only going to do some of it right now because we haven't gone over stem and leaf plots or histograms. So this assignment won't be due till next week, but you could print it out and start it, and then because you write advantages and disadvantages inside.